Boy, I always have a little piece of cardboard handy. I think I got crummy screwdrivers here. See, I don't like to use my good stuff. And then I think I might have an old putty knife I can beat on. There. See how I'm bending that up like that? Boy, that one's going to be a little tricky. Underneath that, what's the deal with that? Dealio. Okay. Where there's a will, where there's a will, there's a way. Yes, sir. Do you have to be a licensed electrician to do this? No, I'm not. I don't profess to be. And I'm glad I'm not. More things I'd like to do than be an electrician every single day. But hey, if that's your bag, I encourage you to go out and get your license. Hey, okay. Let's see what we got here. Come on. Good Lord. There it goes. Okay, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Blah-de, blah-de, blah. Look at that. Good Lord. See, this is just a box that fits on with that light fixture. Here it is. And then see, there's all the information right there. This is pretty heavy too. And I'm wondering if this will just come off, or I think I just have to push the wires through it. Just push the wires through it. Okay. And I can leave that. I can leave that right on there. Good grief. Yeah, I guess I could pull one wire out at a time. Just one wire. A couple wires. There. See there? Goes back together on the box. Fits right up in there. That is at the bottom. Then we fit it in there and push in the top and snap that. Let's see, I don't need the box. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the box with me, because whatever transformer they have, it's got to fit in this box, doesn't it? Okay? Maybe it's just a hair taller, wider, longer, thicker, whatever. It's got to fit in there. Man, and that sucker right there is bad. And you did it yourself. You got it. So I'm going to take this just like this. And I'm going to take that to a light fixture store. Now, where else could I take that? I could take it like to a wholesale electrical house. They might have transformers like this. Okay? Just like this. But, so I've got a couple different options, don't I? Go to an electrical wholesale house. I honestly do not think Home Depot's going to have something like this. They'll say, oh no, we got to order that. You got to special order that. I want to go somewhere where they have one of those in stock, so that I know it's going to fit. Worst case scenario, you measure this whole thing, the length, the width, the thickness, You write down all this information. Could you order it online? You could probably get one of these online at Amazon. You might be able to get it at Amazon, but I think I'm gonna go to a light fixture store and hoping that they've got something like this in stock. Okay, and I'll probably want to take this too as well, not only to make sure it fits, but I can also show them that if they need that information. But that information there should be on the side of your transformer. Now I'm calling it a transformer. Maybe it is a transformer or it's a ballast. I'm not sure. Okay. But either way, that's what needs to be replaced on this particular light fixture. And I wouldn't have known it had I not gone through all that effort. I showed you how to get up in the attic and get to it, how to cut the hole. If you've got a bowed ceiling like mine, chances are you might have some plywood up there. If not, you can reach it. Or if you don't feel like it and you really think you can get it, if you think you can get it through the hole, now you've got an idea of what you're up against, and to reach back in there, think really small, get your hand back in there and get it out. I believe that there was enough wire here. Once I undid the wire nuts, there was enough room for me to pull that to the back of the light fixture container above the ceiling and then reach around there, push it out, pull it down. So then it's going to have to go up, it's going to have to go around, it's going to have to get back in there like that. This is going to be already on there. Then you're going to have to reach back in there with one hand somehow, fish it into the bottom, because this lip sticks down just a little bit, and then you've got to place it just right to then be able to push it up and snap it into place. Once you get that in, these wires already through into the junction box, then you can attach the wires back up inside the junction box, slip the can back up in the ceiling with the screws. I'm going to still have to do all that, don't worry. When I come back and I have the transformer, I'll make another video, don't worry. I'm not going to leave you hanging, but you know, you really shouldn't have to watch any more video in order to know that if you've got this far, you can certainly put it back together. Okay, well that's all I got for this particular video and series. Okay, but I'm going to include more to this series. Okay, so keep watching my channel, because once I get it done, of course, I'll put it on there for you to see. Okay, thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.